alis na uli. Tapos na ang bakasyon until next year. Nandito ako sa labas ng bahay. I'm waiting for Edwin. He's coming with a tricycle. Okay, wala na kaming kotse. So, ayan. Ang dami naming bit-bit, ano. Akala mo kung saan kami pupunta, ano. Ang dami-daming bit-bit. Yan. Mga tubig, mga ano. Ayan. Dami naming bit-bit. Ayan. I'm going back to work really soon. I can't believe that my vacation is over. Just like that. So, another 10 months working. And hopefully everything will be fine at work. It will be a good year so that I can come back again for vacation next year. Until then, goodbye to my house. My house here, there. So that's my house. I'm leaving it again for another 10 months or 11 months. Ayan, nandito na po kami sa bus. Nasa, ano ba ito? Victory? Victory liner. We left immediately. Ito po si Manong driver. Si Manong.
Ning, nanganap ko siya ba kayo?
One. Na, lunch stopover. Dinakdahan. Yeah. We're gonna eat. And we need to eat fast. Bus now. San Jose. San Jose po. Vizcaya pa po ba? O Ecija? Ang San Jose.
Paano na po?
Ecija?
Nueva Ecija na po.
Ah, okay.
Eh?
Ecija.
Ano po ito?
Sa Manila.
Abroad mo? Abroad?
Ah, balik uli.
Ha?
Babalik uli.
Bala?
Balik. Middle East. Teka na. Teka na. Okay, you just sit down there.
Sige, dito lang.
Hi. Hi. There's so many people. Hi. I called earlier because my booking, somehow the card payment did not go through. So, Pascual. Ay, Lord have mercy. Ang haba ng biyahe namin, 12 hours.
Saan po sila galing?
Isabela.
So, malayo.
At traffic pa. Ang daming nagbabakasyon siguro.
Yes, long weekend.
That is, it's set to the
24th.
payment.
Bale, this is for 4 nights, ma'am.
Oh,
We have
oh.
2 single beds.
No. It's ano tawag nito? Standard twin room?
Yes, twin room, 2 beds.
Sabi ko, pero dun sa pinili ko, parang they're together.
Let me just check number. But if you need 1 bed, let me check if we can change one.
Oo, kasi hirap naman. Anniversary pa ng asawa namin bukas, tapos magkahiwalay kami ng anak. Ano ba yun?
Sige, ma'am. Gawan po natin para ano. Change ko na lang po.
Sige. Kasi yung pinili ko, twin room ang sabi.
Pag twin room po kasi, ma'am, 2 single beds.
Oo.
Pag 1 large bed, double bed.
Ay, double dapat. Oo.
Pero, for some reason, naka 2 beds. Pero okay, change ko may okay.
Sige.
Bale, request na lang po ako, ma'am, ID.
No problem here. Siyempre yung, here's my ID. Ito, yung ugly ID ko. Are the rooms similar to the Hap-In in, is it Ermit or Malate?
Almost same naman.
Mm. Kasi we stayed there before.
Before.
Mm-mm. So sabi ko, we'll try the Asiana.
Same naman.
Eto, mahal, pakikuha mo nga. Ano to yun? Pakikuha mo. Naglabang ka pala dito. Area. It looks so posh.
Can you check if the address is correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Phone number, email.
Yeah. Ayan, maghihintay na naman tayo. Upo ka na. 1426. So our luggage will be brought by the concierge. Our
Anong room?
904.
Mataas din pala to.
We'll rest a little while. You want, bili na lang ako ng kuan, kainin na lang natin yung ulam natin. Bili lang ako dito ng additional water natin kasi halos ubos na. Tapos,
Nakatakas 24 hours naman yung sabi nila.
tapos, kanin, bili ako kanin. Kaya meron silang bentang kanin. No? Dito, sa 7-Eleven, siya meron.
Ilang nights ka ba?
4 nights.
Nights tayo. A day, times
O, diba?
4 nights.
Kaso lang, we don't come here often. Masaya yung magganito, mag-member kapag parati ka.
Ay,
Nagbabiyahe.
magpapamember ka.
Yan o, loyalty program. Di ba noon meron akong loyalty program sa Go
Kasi
Hotel.
dumadami na rin to.
Kaso lang, we stopped going to Go Hotel and then went to Red Planet and everywhere after that. Nag-Savoy, nag-Belmont, nag-Kingsford, lahat na nag-work.
Okay yung Vermont.
Mas maliit nga lang yung room na yan, ano? Or mas maliit ba yung sa Savoy? Kasi deluxe yung una kong nag-gino, kaya ang laki-laki ng kwarto. Mas maliit yung Belmont, ano? Oh, ako, alam ko lang na may CR dyan. Sandali, nandito na yung lift. Tagal nating hinintay, so doon na lang sa kwarto. Yes, dear. Oo. Yes.
Kasi yung 9th floor po natin, ma'am, for 1 nighter lang po siya. And year for 4 nights po maximum. Okay lang po 14th floor tayo.
Walang problema.
Sige.
Kasi bibiglet. Darling, can I go to the toilet na lang? Yung water bath nandun?
Nakasabit po.
Okay. Or in the 14th floor. Mahaba ka pang... Mahaba ka pang... You have to wait a long time for the lift because only one is working.
11 tapos 14 ka agad.
Actually, hindi 11, 12. Walang 13th floor. Always there will be no 13th floor.
Yung sa kanil 12A. Sa Bayan.
Oo. $14,
Isa.
24,
21?
24, 26. This one,
24 to.
26. Ooh, look at the room. The room is this. The room is this. It's nice. They switch it on early. room check. Okay, lavatory, toilet, shower. There are no amenities other than a tissue paper, 2 towels. We're on the 14th floor, the topmost floor. At least meron yun.
Walang rep.
What's this? Okay. On my way down, we just settled into our room. The suitcases came a little late. There's only one functioning lift, so it's taking time. I'm going down to the 7-Eleven to buy rice. Thankfully, we have something to eat. There's no more water. I think still a little. The room is slightly bigger than the one we had recently at Savoy and Belmont. There are no amenities in the toilet, no toiletries, and only I think 3 pieces of towels were there. But it seems comfortable. The bed looks comfortable. The AC is cold, so that one is nice. The general room and the toilet are clean, and that's nice. So, and the neighborhood is nice. Like, we're surrounded with a lot of restaurants, salons, shops, and all that. It's like Chinese country. Everything looks Chinese. There's even Chinese characters. The area looks posh. But I'm only gonna be coming here. I hope that they have rice. Is there rice somehow? Rice. Hello, dear. Pwede mo tanong? May rice kayo, rice meal, something like that?
Katabi ng coffee.
Okay. 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 This one is bulgogi. Hasat. Freedom. Katsu. Okay. We'll get ito lang talagang may rice niya?
Yes po. Thank you.
May water ba kayong bigger than this?
Pa?
Water that's bigger than this?
Nandun po.
Sige. Can I leave this here?
Sige.
Oh, I only have, I think, up to a liter. Wilkins. We don't have Absolute. Nature Springs. Maliit naman. And of course, that Pocari Sweat. Pocari Sweat.
10, 20, 30, 40.
Darling, do you have any fruit? Banana or something? Saan ba?
Dali.
Ah,
Ating
sige.
na pa sa mga ano na daw.
Okay.
May banana pa dyan? Wala na pala ma'am.
Wala na. What else is here?
Ano kayo ma'am? Ito po, saka ito.
Malagkit na yung isa mo lang kaya yung whistle.
Ay, sorry.
Yung whistle na lollipop daddy.
Bread, bread.
Can you eat this one na lang? Not now kasi
What else do we need? What else do we need? Do we have?
Buhay na naman si Otto.